एक ट्विटर के ट्वीट की कीमत तुम क्या जानो मोदी बाबू. Farmer protests have been going on for more than 70 days now, and more than 200 farmers have lost their lives over here. And now the government is trying to suppress these protests by cutting electricity, by cutting water supply, then banning internet altogether. Apna bhai, government is best. These Khalistani people need to be exposed. And they also set up a 56 feet ki barricades. 56 feet. Now Twitter on these issues has been on a big role since the past couple of days. After especially Rihanna tweeted just one tweet, why aren't we talking about this? Like, that was the only tweet. That one tweet has shook whole of India, especially the government and all the bhakts. But obviously she couldn't just get away with it, so the bhakts and the Godi media came in defending our nation, the pride of our nation. Republic works on a different tangent altogether. कांग्रेस की किसान नेता रिहाना मतलब कांग्रेस में तो अभी लीडर का लाइक देयर आर इश्यूज विद द लीडर ना. रिहाना इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस. हाउ डोंट यू ऑल गेट इट? दिस इज ऑल अ बिग कॉन्स्पिरेसी. मतलब दे डोंट थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर पुटिंग दिस टाइटल. लाइक जस्ट आया मन में डाल दिया बेंच. एंड ऑब्वियसली द वन एंड ओनली अर्नब गोस्वामी.
टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग, अर्बन नक्सली, कनाडा के खालिस्तानी, महिलाओं को पीटने वाले गुंडे, पुलिस को पीटने वाले कायर, इन सब को बारी 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 से किसानों के लीडर बनाने के बाद आज विदेशी पॉप सिंगर रिहाना.
Now after Rihanna's tweet, the IT cell might have lost their shit. They might be like just going and searching if Rihanna ka connection we can find with Pakistan somehow. Like, is Rihanna Pakistani? Is her parents Pakistani? Are her relatives Pakistani? Is her dog Pakistani? Does her shit go to Pakistan? क्या पता. Now ultimately they didn't find any Pakistani links. So they took a picture of her holding a West Indies का flag और उस पे पाकिस्तान का फ्लैग पोत दिया भाई एडिट करके. मतलब they literally changed the flag to make it Pakistan, man. ये क्या है? What is this? मतलब but I'll give them this one credit that seamlessly the way it's edited na, it's quite good. Budget 2021 has been very beneficial for them. Who says BJP didn't do anything for the middle class? Then even Greta Thunberg came in support of the farmers and said that she stands with the farmers. And then obviously even she started getting trolled. And few days before she had tweeted a toolkit of the farmers' protests showing the schedule of the farmers and what all they are planning to do. Then it was deleted later on and people found that tweet and started trolling her and said Greta Thunberg exposed. Exposed dich bhai. Exposed. Greta's life is now finished. But what is this toolkit which they are calling her like big conspiracy behind the thing? That toolkit is just talking about the schedule of the farmers and how they are going to protest and how they need to raise their voice against the government and not be silent on the farmer protests. That's all the toolkit is about. I'll leave a link in the description. You can read the whole toolkit, what it is about. But nahi bhai, Greta Thunberg exposed. Finish. And Delhi police even filed a FIR on Greta Thunberg. अरे भाई मतलब नीरव मोदी और विजय माल्या को तो नहीं ला पाए, ग्रेटा थनबर्ग को जाके लाएंगे हैं. Then like Rihanna and Greta Thunberg, various other people came in support of the farmers' protests like Amanda Cerny. And where she was supporting the farmers, one person asked her that, you know, your followers like might reduce because of this stance which you're taking. Amanda Cerny said, quality over quantity. Bhakts are quantity, they are not quality, hence proved. Then came the one and only Mia Khalifa.
Mia Khalifa.
She spoke on the human right violations and the internet shutdowns in India. But Mia is a bigger savage than that. Her sarcasm na, in one tweet was on point. She said this, paid actors, huh? Quite the casting director. I hope they are not overlooked during award season. 3-pointer. But the real question is, can the Bhakts now boycott Mia Khalifa? This is the question we should think about. Then came India with a backlash against these Congressy foreigners. And the government of India issued a statement saying that these vested interest groups want to spoil the peace of the nation. They don't know anything about these farm laws. कुछ पता नहीं, कुछ क्या ढिंडोरा पीट रहे बिना बात का. Don't, just stop it. Nonsense. And they came up with the hashtag India Together and hashtag India Against Propaganda. Ironic. Then came the Indian celebrities in support of the government, putting these hashtags India Together and India Against Propaganda. Sunil Shetty, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Saina Nehwal, then our Hindutva poster boy Akshay Kumar, and then the one and only Bolo Zuba Kesari. Still, I'm gonna keep Kangana for last. पहले इनको कवर करते. Kangana is on another level. These celebrities, not once did they tweet in support of these farmers. Like, don't support the farm laws, against the farm laws or for the farm laws, doesn't matter. But 70 days they're sitting in the cold. So many farmers have lost their lives. Not a single tweet. One person tweeted outside, भाई लोग चढ़ गए उस पे. India together, India against propaganda. They went on a roll. Stop interfering in our matters. This is our own matter. But guess what all these celebrities wanted? Like, what specifically they wanted? It was an amicable solution. All celebrities just wanted an amicable solution. मतलब friendly solution नहीं चाहिए. पीसफुल सोल्यूशन वो भी नहीं चाहिए. एमिकेबल हो ना तो ही बात करो, नहीं तो सोल्यूशन चाहिए नहीं भाई. सोल्यूशन हो तो एमिकेबल, वरना ना हो भाई. Coincidence that all of them use the same word? Nah. Now when it came to foreign celebrities commenting on matters of India, just imagine a scenario like domestic violence. If in the neighborhood you can see a husband is beating up his wife, you will just ignore क्या? Just ignore it. Or like घरेलू मामला है ना, they'll handle it. Hashtag flat number 32 together. Hashtag flat number 32 against propaganda. वैसे थोड़ी ना होता है ना. We'll raise our voices, we'll go and complain about it. नहीं भाई, वैसे तो नहीं चलता ना. India है, India is new India. Now let's come to the one and only Kangana. While India was fighting against propaganda, Kangana was fighting against propaganda. What is propaganda? Kangana also works on a different tangent altogether. Like, obviously, there is no doubt about it. So when Rihanna tweeted, "Why aren't we talking about this?" Kangana's groundbreaking reply to Rihanna came forward. No one is talking about it because they are not farmers. They are terrorists who are trying to divide India so that China can take over our vulnerable, broken nation and make it a Chinese colony much like USA. Sit down, you fool. We are not selling our nation like you dummies. समझे क्या? Because of farmers na, China is going to come in India, invade. This is the whole plan. Kangana has cracked the code. Then Kangana thought, like, let's take a few steps ahead. Went on Google and searched Kangana photos in sari and searched for Rihanna photos in bikini, vulgar photos of Rihanna, naked photos of Rihanna. And then she started tweeting this. Sangi Nari Sappe Bhari versus Libru role models, their little pussycat dolls. Come on, India, show them our power. India together, India against propaganda. Right-wing role model versus left-wing role model. I rest my case. India together, India against propaganda. So as you can see in the photos, she is all like, dressed up, and Rihanna is nangi pungi. So let's pass comments on her. Because the amount of clothes you wear, the amount of clothes you wear is directly proportional to your intelligence. You didn't know this till now, re? If that was the case, then even Jaggi Bhai is fucking smart. So the first thing is, you shouldn't be commenting on the people's clothes. Okay, chalo bhai, you wanted to comment, you commented. But don't be a fucking hypocrite. She wears clothes like these, but she shares the pictures of she wearing saris. मतलब क्या है यार ये? Nothing is wrong in wearing short clothes, even bikini. Nothing is wrong in it. Hey, फालतू का this Kangana na. But I feel BJP is delaying her ticket too much. It's time. She's working really hard. She should get the ticket now. Hashtag India against propaganda.